Hi, before I start, I would like to thank Frank Kern for this brilliant marketing strategy. Ever feel like you're throwing money away on ads? You get clicks for sure, but do they actually convert? Probably not into high quality leads. Most ads push for a click too fast. Users click out of curiosity, land on your site, get overwhelmed, and bounce. That's a premature click and it's costing you a fortune. What if I told you there's an ad strategy that sounds completely insane but is crushing it right now? And it's all about unclickable ads. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about showing deliberately terrible, low production videos to complete strangers. Think quick phone videos about niche topics like AI copywriting or AI marketing hacks. No fancy edits, no big asks. The magic? They're unclickable. Viewers are forced to stay and consume the value. If someone watches a 2-minute video on advanced prompts for ChatGPT, they're not just curious, they're genuinely interested. That sustained attention is your ultimate filter. These videos become your digital bouncers, letting only the most qualified people through. Once they're watched, guess what? We retarget them, but not with the sales pitch. More unclickable content, short, helpful text tips about AI marketing automations or insights on whatever. Again, no clicks needed. We keep providing value, building trust, and establishing authority. It's like a mini course for free. By the time we finally introduce a clickable offer, like a free guide or a template, this audience is pre-sold, educated, and ready to engage. Their conversion rates hits through the roof. Forget tracking simple clicks. We track video completion rates, audience growth, and ultimately cost per qualified lead. This isn't just about getting attention, it's about earning trust and getting the right attention. So stop chasing clicks. Start building an audience that actually wants what you offer. It sounds stupid, but it's incredibly smart. Try it. Thanks for being here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.